Hi everyone. So you can see now I have already entered the trade, and the entry I have taken is triangle 80 to 600 and 80 to 400. So this is a live trade. Here you can see the trade is actually happening. This part is not working now. I'm working on it, but I'll show you the actual trade as well. So just before this I took a straddle, and that actually went well and target hit. I'll show you that as well. So here you can see this is about to hit my target was some 1100 something, and in logs as well I can see it is about to hit, right? So we'll wait for that. As soon as that happens I'll let you know, but in the meantime I'll show you something. So the logs I'll show you what happened in the previous trade. So here it is. So previous trade was punched at 919. This was not time based, this was ad hoc trade, and this was straddle. So 25 500 straddle. For both the target hit and it exited everything in almost 3 minutes, right? So this trade I'll show you, and this I later entered into strangle. So straddle I'll show you how it worked. So for straddle you can see it has already closed the position as soon as the target is hit, right? So, and when the target is hit I'll show you. So that can be seen at, I mean, as a developer I can show you this in the logs, but obviously you'll have that in the order logs. So here it is, all the timings and everything. So you can see 919 sell has happened. 919 sell has happened. So sell for 80 to 500 CE and 80 to 500 PE, right? So margin requirement for that was showing as 1,92,000, and as per that I have given the stop loss and target. So just for testing purpose, I have given the target as smaller, maybe 0.6 or something, and then 1% was the stop loss. So as soon as this started, it started the PNL monitoring as well. So in PNL monitoring, it started monitoring for these two. I took the trade without hedges, so there are no hedges in that. So you can see, and one lot, the quantity and the price at which it got executed, right? Then it started the PNL monitoring. The same thing is supposed to show here in the live PNL, but it is not. I'll work on that. But yeah, so this is how it starts. Every second you can see that it is checking the PNL. So the PNL checking has started. There was some premium crash, and as soon as that happened, so here you can see 922, right? The target is hit, and as soon as the target is hit it exited both the positions with this profit. So 922, here it is 922 and precisely 37 seconds, right? And here you can see now we are almost closing on the profit target of this as well. I'll show you in the logs. So this is a strangle, and strangle of, so now this is the current PNL, it is updating every second, and as soon as our target is hit it will exit. And what is our target? I'll show you. Yeah, so this is the entry point 936 I talked about, right? So at 936 it took the position and then started monitoring. So here you can see 1140 is my target and 2090 is my stop loss. Okay, so we'll see 1140 as soon as it reaches it will exit. So the trade has been for some time, running for some time, because the decay is slow. Yeah, so now it is 1000 rupees. So we are about to close this, and in the meantime I'll show you one more thing. So here I am checking my straddle. sorry, strangle. So for strangle I have enabled, and what is my strangle? That is 80 to 600 C and 80 to 400 P. So for this I am monitoring, and this is the start of the day, intraday, and 15 minutes I'm checking, or I can make it as 5 minutes as well. uh, yeah, so this is the start of the day. So since start of the day, this triangle is going down, the cumulative premium of this triangle, right? So when it started, see the target is also hit now. You can see both the orders are complete now, and that are complete on 10:26, right? Both buy. So the target is hit. I'll show you in the logs as well here. So at this point we switched back to the chart, but here you can see 1154, which is greater than 1140, so it exited. So all my trades are exit now. Here you can see trade. So this was the trade placed successfully for exit, and then trade execution completed, right? So we have exited everything, positions are cleared now. This part yet to work on, right? And now you can re-enter again. Yeah, and here is the profit. So these are all automated executions. You can see the execution time of short and then buy, short and then covering. Here you can see the profit. So two trades, one is straddle, one is triangle, both in profit, and the overall profit for day is this one, and this is my charges 235. Now here's the interesting part, right? So this is only for one lot, right? So you can scale up to anything. You can do it for 10 lots, 20, 30, 50, anything, right? The execution is something which is very important and effective, and here you have already seen that. So we were doing the live, and the target hit, and we exited all the positions. So how much time it take? So it has taken close to 50 minutes for this target to hit, you can see. And the first target, because at the start of the day volatility is there, and if there is no movement in the index, all the premiums will start crashing, right? So in the morning we achieved 0.7% or 0.6% in 3 minutes, but later on the day it took us how much? 50 minutes to achieve 0.6%. So overall for a day, for this much amount of margin, I was not able to utilize everything. I was able to utilize only 2 lakhs out of it. So for 2 lakhs we have achieved 2200. So that is close to 1.1% of what we have deployed, right? So this is only for one lot. You can do it for multiple lots. So that's about it. This is about the live trading. Maybe I'll see you in the next video. If you are liking the content, just like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot.